and speed around 96 and 217. Not requested.
You want this side, Gibson?
Yes, sir.
All righty.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Have a good day.
All right, you too. Okay. Right. Good girl. Okay, so off another bus, and we're headed to the Miami's vet, and she's crazy because she's like the first dog I ever had that loves the vet. So she's kind of like rushing me along, trying to pull faster. Good girl. I wish I could video inside the vet, but it's pretty crazy in there. I have to keep my undivided attention on Miami because there's other dogs and stuff. But good girl. Good girl. She knows exactly where it is. She turns in. You're a good girl. Okay, hold on. Yo. Good girl. Wait.